Stock markets across the world have crashed as US President Donald Trump's sweeping new tariffs triggered a global sell-off, wiping out trillions in capital markets and plunging Dalal Street into its worst trading day in nearly a year. The Sensex has nosedived over 3,000 points in early trade, while the Nifty 50 has slumped more than 5%, mirroring steep losses across Asia and the West. The BSE's total market capitalization dropped by over 19 lakh crores as every major sector ended deep in the red. The Nifty Metal Index has crashed 8%, while IT stocks shed over 7%. Autos, real estate, oil and gas stocks also fell more than 5% each, dragging broader indices sharply lower. Small caps plunged 10%, mid caps fell 7.3%. Indian indices have fallen to levels not seen in 10 months, wiping out months of investor gains. Aditya Vadavan is joining us for more on this story. Aditya, it's been a bloodbath today at the stock markets.
If you see, the markets have today been very poorly performing. Sensex going opens up at 3,380 points, and it was the very first time that it has lost 4,000 points. Things are investors are worried about their money that they might lose because of these tariffs that have been imposed by Donald Trump. There is a widespread, all the the major indices of the market are in red zone today. So the situation is not looking good as of now. But, if you see, in the hindsight, if you see, these tariffs could, why these tariffs have been imposed by US President Donald Trump, because all the, let us put this into perspective, that America is the biggest debtor in the world, because all the countries, put their foreign exchange reserves in America, in the federal bank, and on which they receive interest. So, it could be a hindsight strategy of the Trump administration, that if the U.S. market, major the NASDAQ and Dow Jones crash, the interest given for the foreign exchange that is reserves that are in the U.S. National Treasury, the interest rates would have to be lowered, and which would significantly enhance the economy of the United States of America. So this could be one of the reasons why Donald Trump is imposing tariffs on other countries. But now it needs to be seen here on how the world markets, particularly the Asian region, behaves in the times to come, because the